Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make image glow in Canva. So basically we are going to talk about glowing effect in Canva on image. So let's start the video guys. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva here, and okay, so first we need to have the background. So if you want glowing effect on image, so we need to have the dark background. Okay, so you can choose the dark color from here like this, or you can choose the gradient dark from here, or you can simply choose the dark background image. Okay, like night sea background. Let's see, here we have some, go to the photos, here we have some background. Here I choose this and just replace that background. Now put your image. You can upload your image from here. Okay, so we have this image. Okay, so just insert that image. Okay, so we have this image. I have just removed the background. Okay, you can also search your image in elements. Okay, in photos, so you got your image. Now we have this image. Okay, now what we can do, go to the elements again and search for glow. Okay, so in the graphics you can see some glow effects. Just select anyone and just maximize the size. Okay, like this. Okay, just make sure it is cover all canvas. Now just go to the position and go to the backward, just send to the backward. Okay, now again go to the elements and search for red glow. Here we have, in the graphics we have the red glow options, so just choose this one and maximize the size and send to the backward. Okay, now we have that background glowing effects. Now select your image, go to the edit, and under the shadow go to the see all and go to the glow, and we need to select the size 15 or between the 15 to 20. Blur effect should be 30 or between 28 to 30. Here the intensity you can increase like this. Here you can change the color, which is red. It is similar to the background glowing color. Okay, increase the intensity like this. Now you can increase the size of these photos. Once done, come back. Okay, now we have this photo. You can see this is glowing effects already happened, already done. So you can give the more professional glowing effects by creating the copy duplicate of this image. Go to the duplicates. Now we have the duplicates image. Okay, and go to the edit. Here go to the shadow, go to the outline and increase the outline size, decrease the outline size. This is the color. You can choose the red color like this. Okay, and just keep on the, go to the edit again, go to the shadow. Okay, you can choose white color and make the minimum size of this line outline and increase the intensity like this. Okay, now keep your image on that original image. It should be right place. Okay, and just go to the positions. You can use that arrow on your keyboard to make the perfect place like this. Okay, now you can see it looks very professional glowing effects. Now you can just select all element like this and group it. Now you can resize it together move it freely on canvas. Okay, so that is how you can give the glow effects on your image. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.